When you start learning about Bitcoin wallets, you will often hear two terms, hot wallet and cold wallet. So, what is the difference? A hot wallet is a wallet that is connected to the internet. This could be a mobile wallet, a desktop wallet, or a browser based wallet. Hot wallets are usually convenient. They are easy to access. They are useful for smaller amounts, and they can be good for everyday transactions or learning how Bitcoin works. But because they are connected to the internet, they also come with more risk. Your phone or computer could be compromised. You could download fake software. You could click on a phishing link. That does not mean hot wallets are bad. It simply means they are better for convenience than for long-term high-security storage. A cold wallet is different. A cold wallet keeps private keys offline. That means it is not constantly exposed to the internet. Cold storage is usually used for larger amounts or long-term holding. A hardware wallet is one common example of a cold wallet setup. The main advantage of cold storage is security. Because the private keys are kept offline, they are harder for online attackers to reach. But cold wallets are usually less convenient. They may take more time to set up. They require more careful backup habits, and they are not as quick for everyday spending. So the difference is really about trade-offs. Hot wallets are more convenient but less secure. Cold wallets are more secure but less convenient. A simple way to think about it is this. A hot wallet is like the cash in your pocket. A cold wallet is more like a safe. You would not usually keep all your life savings in your pocket, but you also would not open a safe every time you wanted to buy a coffee. Different tools are useful for different purposes. So what is the difference between a hot wallet and a cold wallet? A simple answer is this. A hot wallet is connected to the internet and is better for convenience. A cold wallet keeps keys offline and is better for long-term security. Understanding this difference helps you make smarter decisions about how to store Bitcoin safely.